It's been a full year since I finally got monetized on my YouTube channel. And for the first time, I finally sat down and looked at all the numbers. So today I'll share how much exactly can a small YouTube channel like mine with like 2,000 subscribers can actually make. I'll tell you how much money I made with YouTube Adsense, sponsor video, affiliate links, and how much money I made with my LUTs that I started selling about 5 months ago. I wanted to do this video partly for myself because I wanted to see what my first year monetized on YouTube looked like. But I also wanted to make it for you if you're a small YouTube channel working towards monetization and wondering what's actually possible and answer the question, how much money can I make? And by doing this, I hope it can help you with your own YouTube journey. So I got monetized on December 23rd, 2025. Back then, I had 2,038 subscribers. This is when I finally hit my 4,000 watch hours needed to get monetized. Oh yeah. That brings me to the end of the year. I now have a little over 2,500 subscribers. So in total, in 2025, I uploaded only 11 videos. It might not be much, but it was never about quantity for me. I'm posting when I have a good idea about a video and when I want to post something useful for you guys. Oh, and by the way, all the numbers you're gonna see in this video is all in Canadian money. All right, so first, let's start with how much money I made with YouTube Adsense. If you don't know, this is actually the money that YouTube pays you for playing ads on your video. How much you make here depends on a lot of things. How many views you get, how long people are watching your video, how many videos do you have, things like that. So in the last year, I accumulated 87,000 views. And from these views, I've made about $450. On average, I'll make a little over $35 per month, and sometimes a good month will get me around $40, $43 a month. So yeah, $450. Now, is that life-changing money? Obviously not, but for a small YouTube channel like mine, I think it's pretty good. And it can only go up from there, right? I hope so. And the important thing to remember is that YouTube AdSense is usually the slowest income stream on YouTube. It grows over time, but it's rarely the biggest one. But don't get me wrong, it's nice to have, and I'm really happy to have it, but it's not where most of my income comes from. Next, sponsor video. I didn't think I would start doing sponsor video so early on, but here I am. My first sponsor video actually happened my first year of YouTube monetization. Sponsor video are when brands pay you directly to feature or integrate their products. This can be done as an ad integration, meaning you make your regular video and somewhere inside you include a 60 to 90 seconds sponsor segment. Also, in other cases, brands will pay you for a full dedicated video for their product or service. I did 2 sponsor videos last year. The first one was in July and the other one was in November 2025. So in total, I made around $680 in sponsor video in 2025. Also, just to be clear, I said no to a lot of deals. Not every brand makes sense. And I only share with you product and services that I really trust and I use myself. Next, affiliate links. So affiliate links are more of a long-term passive income thing. If you don't know, affiliate links are the links that I put in the description of my videos. When someone clicks on those links and buy a product or subscribe to a service, I get a small commission at no extra cost for you. And the nice thing about affiliate link is that they keep working in the background. Even months or even years after I publish a video, these affiliate links can still generate money. On the other hand, this income stream is less predictable day to day, but is actually one of the biggest income on YouTube last year. In total, in 2025, I made $2,200. This is my biggest income source on YouTube so far. Next, digital products. This one is something I actually own. So about 5 months ago, I started selling a digital product on my website, specifically LUTs for color grading. LUTs are basically presets that you put on your video to color grade your footage. They help you to speed up your workflow and have a consistent look. I don't want to turn this video into an ad for my LUTs, but if you're curious, just head in the description below. I'll have a link with my LUTs so you can check them out if you're interested. And yeah, so I released these LUTs back in August 2025. And for each month, I got around $50 to $125 per month. So in total, in the last 5 months, I made about $450 for selling my digital product on my website. And man, I gotta say, this is the one that I'm the most proud of. There's something really satisfying when you wake up to a LUT sale, especially if it's something that you created yourself. Now, compared to bigger YouTubers, this isn't a huge number, but the difference is that I don't have a big audience. So when I post a video or a tutorial about my LUTs, well, it doesn't reach that much people. So it's normal that I don't have that much sales. But for me, I still don't care because I love what I do and I love to share my products with you. And if I get a sale from time to time, well, I'm really happy about it. I don't check the numbers all that much, but it's nice to have. So when you add everything up, my total income on YouTube for my first year monetized comes to around $3,779. Now, is that life-changing money? No. Will I quit my job? No. But it's nice to have, and like I said earlier, it's only gonna go up from there, I think, if I keep posting videos. And for a small YouTube channel like mine with 2,500 subscribers, it's a good start, I think. So if you're a small YouTube creator and you're working toward monetization, I hope this gives you a little bit of an idea of what's possible and also to help you set expectations. And if I can leave you with one simple advice, is if you're a small creator, don't be afraid to reach out to brands. Most of my brand deals that I got this year or last year was when I reached out to brands. Sometimes they reach out to me, but sometimes I reach out to them. So I'm curious, if you're already monetized on your YouTube channel, what is your biggest income stream on YouTube? Let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear from you. And this is it for me today. I hope you liked the video. If you like, please subscribe and leave a like. And I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye-bye.